Let me give the best that I can give. There's nothing more that I would ever need. Glide together when it's a need, see. That we can be together, that we can be together, that we can
Is it me, or do you wanna do things to me? Is it you, or the tune that makes me weak? Excuse this inquisition if your position is opposition. But I may die if touching me is off permission.
With every Christmas card I write,
You shut the door to write the score.
may days, we marry and bright.
You come in close. What do you think you do?
And on your Christmas
It's
Eve,
entirely possible I'll die if touching me will be the song we try to write.
be
Make me
wise.
on your mind. Take your time.
All the way.
Do you think of me when you're alone? Maybe you're not alone and there's someone else. There's so much I want to know. Why don't you answer your phone? I'm here outside your place. May I come in and taste the freckles on your face? Put my legs around your waist. I guess I'll sit here and wait. You play 6 strings, but you're playing me. You're trying to work, I'm a perv. But if your mouth wants to go on me, I'm here on the couch, pretending to be. What if I die of deprivation of your now? Maybe I should make the move. I guess I don't have much to lose. If we were face to face, would you be the first to break? Though I did see a blade on your chain, so maybe I'll wait. I'm in hell, hoping to sort it out. So love me, like actors on a stage. Are the cameras ready? If we're a film, this would be when you're annoyed by me. By the end of Act 2, I'd sing a sad song to you. You read your last lines, doesn't say goodbye. Can someone write in a beautiful line?